In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move photos out of the locked folder in Google Photos. If you've placed pictures in the locked folder for extra privacy and now want them back in your main library, here's how to do it clearly and safely. First, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Make sure you're on your device's home screen and tap the Photos icon to launch it. Once the app is open, look along the bottom of the screen and tap Collections. This is where Google Photos groups special sets and tools, including your locked folder. Now find and tap Locked. Because this area is designed to protect sensitive items, you'll be asked to unlock it using your device's security. Go ahead and use Face ID, Touch ID, or your phone's passcode, whichever you normally use to unlock your device. That's expected and keeps these items private if someone else has your phone. After you unlock, you'll see the photos and videos you previously moved into Locked. To take items out of the locked folder, tap to select the photo or photos you want, then choose Move. Confirm that you want to move them out of Locked. This action returns the selected items to your main photo library. Once they're back in your library, they'll behave like any other photo, including being visible in albums and, if you have backup turned on, eligible for cloud backup going forward. If you don't see a photo you expect inside the locked folder, the most common reason is being signed into the wrong Google account. In the top right corner of the app, tap your profile icon and double-check you're using the same account where you originally locked those items. Switching to the correct account will often make the missing photos appear right away. A quick but important note about how locked folder works. Photos and videos kept there are stored locally on your device and are not backed up to the cloud. That's by design for privacy. However, it also means that if the Google Photos app was deleted, your phone was reset, or the app's data was cleared, items that were only unlocked cannot be recovered. If these photos matter to you and you no longer need them hidden, moving them back to your library is a good way to ensure they can be backed up again. That's it. Open Google Photos, tap Collections, go to Locked, unlock, select your items, and move them back. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage your private photos with confidence.